Hi, my name is Emma Kate Burden. I'm from Olive Branch, Mississippi. I'm a senior at the University of Mississippi, and my major is pharmacy. I have been accepted into pharmacy school at Ole Miss for the fall, and I'm taking this anatomy course through the University of New England because it is a required prerequisite for pharmacy school. I'm very excited to get started with this course. Have always been intrigued with the study of anatomy ever since high school. Whenever I took an anatomy, it's just very interesting just how the body works, or how the different structures of the body, different body systems, how they all come together for everyday function. Yes, I've just always loved anatomy. And I am currently working in New York for the summer as a nanny, and it's been an amazing experience. It's kind of nice to get out of the South for a couple months and experience something new. In my free time, I like to hang out with my friends. I like to go to the beach, go for runs, and I like to read books, especially in the summer when I have more downtime. So yeah, that's a little bit about me. I'm excited to get this course moving, and yeah, that's about it.